Hello, everyone. This is Math Coach Taylor coming to you again with another fraction video. This is the third grade checkpoint for the coaching cycle for standard 3.14. And the students are going to be completing a task to see how well they have been learning the material with fractions on the number line. So I'm going to go over the task for you. All right. Now it says the number line shows how many miles Brooklyn ran on Saturday. How far did Brooklyn run? Here's the number line. The red point on the number line indicates how far Brooklyn ran in miles. The first thing they need to do is place and label fractions on the number line. Then answer the question using your work to explain your thinking. Now, this is why students struggle with fractions. They jump straight to labeling. They just start counting these tick marks and just start labeling. And they skip the most important part, which is first thing that we need to do is identify the whole. Now, where's the zero? Here's the zero. Where's the one? Here is the one. Next, we partition the number line into equal parts. Not kind of equal, not close enough, but equal parts. So I'm going to start at 0. I can count the tick marks all the way up to 1, or I can count the spaces in between the tick marks. So I'm going to start at 0, and I'm going to see how the number line is partitioned. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the unit fraction is 1/6. So that means each one of the tick marks is worth 1/6. So let's start labeling our number line. After the 0, the first one is 1/6, 2/6, 3/6, 4/6, 5/6, 6/6 is equal to 1 whole, 7/6, 8/6, 9/6. Now I can keep labeling the number line. 9/6, 10/6, 11/6, 12/6, which is also equal to 2 whole, 13/6, 14/6, 15/6, 16/6, 17/6, 18/6, which is equal to 3 wholes. Now, the point on the number line represents how many miles Brooklyn ran. Now, you can either leave this as a fraction greater than 1, which would be 9/6, or we can change this to a mixed number. So we know that 6/6 is equal to 1. So our whole is 1. And starting at 1, counting over the 1/6s, we have 1/6, 2/6, 3/6. And the students are not learning simplifying fractions right now or finding the equivalent fractions at this point. So I'm going to leave it right there as the answer. So I'm going to go over here to my explanation and say Brooklyn ran 9/6 or 1 3/6 miles on Saturday. Okay, everyone. So one of the things we have to remember, model first, number second, explanation last. And that's how you get real math understanding. All right, hopefully you liked this video. Leave me a comment or even share it. Thank you.